My name is Jacky Visser. I'm from the Netherlands, and I'm in the ARG-tech group as a postdoctoral researcher. I would say that within the group my role is more on the theoretical modeling, philosophical background side of stuff rather than computational implementation or coding. But for basically all the projects we do, and for this BBC project as well, all we do in the group, it sort of all works together. So we've got people working on analysis, for example, like me, and then we've got people working on the actual computational implementation, and we've got people working on the more organizational side of getting everything set up and managing everything, managing processes. And within these strands of theoretical backgrounds and the actual analysis of text and the implementation into actual software, within these obviously we've got different people working in different sort of sub-parts of these strands. And with respect to the BBC project, I am one of the people working in the analysis stream. We're not doing any new theoretical foundations specifically for this project, so I'm one of the analysts or annotators, if you want. One of the essential, well, basically all the parts of the process that we're going into with the BBC now are essential, obviously. But one of the essential bits is the actual analysis of the text. So first of all, as some other people already told you, we're setting up everything and preparing everything in advance. We're making sure that we've got the right people on board. After that, we're getting into the so this is all preparatory, but then after that we're getting into the actual nitty-gritty stressful part, which will happen in about 48 hours in total, and it means that we're getting the text from well, actually no, we're not getting the text yet. So we're getting the television or radio recordings from the BBC. Those will send out to a transcription service, so that we're ending up with written text rather than spoken discourse. And that written text we can analyze using, well, based on the theoretical foundations, but using some of the software tools that are developed within the Center for Argument Technology, like OVA, for example. And we use those tools to analyze the text that we have, and then that will because this is quite a long process. We'll need to do that in parallel, so that let's say 10 or 20 people are working on similar bits and pieces of the text and doing analyses on those in parallel, and then at the end we can basically check the quality of all of those and then merge them together into one whole. And then the idea is that this analysis forms the input for the tech team or the technological implementation team that will then again have 12 hours or something to take all this data and to do some calculations on it and provide analytics, as we call them, which I guess that John Lawrence already talked about as well, with him heading the technological implementation team